overcooked here. So we ordered some dishes here we're going to try right here in Chef.
The breath of a wok, also known as the energy of a wok, is known as Wok Hei. Wok Hei is the term we use in Cantonese cooking. It's what every chef wants to achieve. I learned about Wok Hei when I worked in my dad's restaurant. So I can tell which chef has the ability to produce the Wok Hei, the sear of the food in the wok. The touch point where it either burns or it becomes another level of excellence. So whenever I cook Chinese cooking, I try to achieve some Wok Hei. So I travel throughout China, I travel throughout cities in Canada and throughout North America in search of that elusive Wok Hei. Now in home cooking, you can also achieve Wok Hei. It's a little more difficult, but using different techniques for home cooking, you'll be able to cook with lots of Wok Hei.
So that's it. So the key to stir-frying Chinese vegetables is to turn on the heat on high, preheat it first, preheat the wok first, and then put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So the wok has to be super hot. It's got about 2 tablespoons of chopped, so I'll cut in big slices because it can just disintegrate if the ginger is cut too small. So the veggies are already pre-cut. So make sure your veggies are dry, so put it in the strainer. Let it sear, because this is home cooking, you need to let it sear longer than a commercial wok. So let it sear there for about 15 to 20 seconds. So you see some of the tar marks already on here. I'm going to add the salt. So put about a half teaspoon of salt in there. Now I'm going to put some light soy sauce. So put about 2 tablespoons in there. Now you're going to hit it with oyster flavor sauce. I'm going to give you a nice little tip here. There's only a little bit of oyster flavor sauce on the bottom here. So an easy way to get it out is to use this technique. So just whip the bottle forward. So you're going to make sure the cap is on tight. Then you whip the bottle forward like this. And then show you what the results are. So this is the Chinese oyster sauce. Pours out really easily. So there you have it, another tip for Chinese cooking. This is my favorite sauce. I only restricted to 2 types of sauces on this stir fry. So just before the veggies are taken out, you just need to put a touch of oil, the peanut oil, just put it on the edges, so that way you get a good sear on the bottom. And also will color the veggies with a nice shine. So that's it. There you have it. Fast, easy Chinese vegetable stir fry using the Shanghai bok choy. Enjoy. There you have it. Some easy secrets to making your Chinese vegetable stir fry.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.